You may look at me and say to yourself, there's no way he's an athlete. And you are correct. But I come from a long line of athletes in my family. My great-grandpa was a runner. My grandpa was a runner. My dad was an alcoholic. It's not the point. I've been training for a very long time for this moment to run my first marathon. Oh, this one, the Ikea Marathon 5K. Like I said before, we are jogging to support hair loss for bald eagles. My name is Austin Taylor. Notice the bicep. Here we go. There's no water. Go.
Some water?
Yeah. We'll dehydrate. Oh, thank you, ma'am.
It's yours. You go ahead and keep that.
Ma'am, it's your day, not mine.
Okay.
Have a good one. Ma'am, short people.
Oh, I'm all good, thank you.
What? He can do it, so can I. I'm gonna race right. I'm gonna hurry. I couldn't come you guys. Oh. There it is. Thank you, sir. Oh, I just saw that part. I would tell you how many steps I ran, but I didn't charge this thing, so I slapped it on. If you have a patch of hair, please donate it to bald eagles. They need it more than you.